Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic, and today we got another box from TacPack. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we're back with TacPack, and as always, if you are interested in this particular service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. Now this box has lithium batteries, so something in here has some lithium batteries, which is kind of exciting. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not. Gives us something to look forward to, right? Something takes batteries up in here. But like I said, if you're interested in this service, they have two boxes to choose from. They have the standard and the plus. The standard is 50 bucks a month and the plus is $130 per month. And like I said, there will be a link in that description box there if you're interested. So let's see what we got. What is this? Okay. So this is a rest. It's made out of high dense foam. That's something that's not going to translate, over the video, but this is a very high dense foam, and it's just it has like a gusset cut in there and one cut in there, on the side, and it's a foam shooting support for rifles and pistols. You can see the little depiction up there. It's kind of self-explanatory, So that's good. I would probably not use it in this configuration, it being so tall. I would probably use it like this. I would probably use it like that. And it's super light. Like, this thing doesn't hardly weigh anything. Of course, it doesn't have the weight. Take my word for it. This thing is really light. And if you are shooting somewhere, and if you're gonna go, like if you're hunting, this is awesome because it's light. It doesn't really weigh anything. But also, if you have to, sort of transport all your stuff to wherever your station is going to be, having this in your bag, this is definitely something I will incorporate into my range bag, because I do have a rather large range bag. Yeah, and this is actually pretty neat. I've never seen anything like this before. So yeah, the only thing that I would, well, no, probably not. No. I was going to say something really dumb, but I'm not. Okay, so this is actually really cool. Never seen it before, so that will definitely get some use. Oh, we got a bunch of little things. All right. Let's see if we can, okay. All right, let's get down to the card here. Oh, check out this sticker. Now, I do like this. Check that out. We got some Optimus Prime with the AR type situation going on. Although it's interesting because if you see it, it's black and it's got like desert tan bits. You would think it would, for Optimus Prime, it would be a like super stealth kind of, like I don't know, like a black and grayish type setup. But that's okay. And I think we got a really cool sticker from them last month, if I'm not remembering incorrectly. Yeah, I think we got this one. Yeah, I think we got this one, right? I think we got that sticker. So yeah, it's really cool. And I did have some comments in the comment section down there. People were telling me that first box that I got from TacPack, because like I said, this is a new service for me. That first box was probably like an intro box, like an introductory type box. And yeah, I can totally see that. So hopefully, I guess the point of that is this is the first real box that I get from TacPack. And yeah, I really dig on the Optimus Prime sticker just because I'm a nerd. So yeah, that's really cool. Okay, and I got a thing here that says I can scan a code, a QR code, and I can get some free little valve caps for your valve stems on your car that look like bullets. And it says, or not, I mean shell casings, I'm sorry. And it says that they're actually made from 40 cal casings. That's cool. So yeah, there's a QR code there that I'm going to cover up because I might actually do that. So that's neat, right? Hollow Point Coffee Company. That's interesting. So what, is this like a competitor to the, what's the name of that coffee company that's been in a lot of controversy, like last year, year before, was it Black Rifle Coffee Company? You have to forgive me, I don't drink coffee. So I'm assuming Hollow Point Coffee Company, is this like a competitor of theirs? I don't know. But anyway, there you go, we got that. Okay, let's see. What else we got here? BattleArmsDevelopment.com. Okay. Let's see. Well, see, we got a bunch of little loose items in here. Okay, I know what that is. This is a combat recoil compensator, and this is going to be for 556223. Has a half 28 right-hand threads. So this is just a little compensator that we get. Let's see. Let's see how easy it is for me to open this. Usually these things don't come open very easy. Oh, that one did come open easy. All right, never mind. All right. It's got some oil on it. But yeah, this is just a little compensator. You know, no big deal. You know, if you need one, which, you know, we got tons and tons and tons of parts. So, you know, this is something that'll just go in our bins, you know, with our parts. And then let's see, what is this? And we do get a card. I should have mentioned that. We do get this card here that has all of the items that you get. And let's see, do they have prices? And that is a negative on the prices, right? Oh, no, they do have prices. Some stuff has prices. Okay. All right, some stuff does, some stuff doesn't. Okay, so let's see. This is a Battle Arms. Let's see, do they have... What is on here? Oh, wow. Cross machine tool. Okay, this is not very... This is all over the place. What is this? Okay, this is a mount. Okay. So did he give me... Okay, and then we got a Primary Arms Micro Red Dot. Okay. I know a lot of guys that run Primary Arms stuff, and, you know, I don't know, I've never really, you know, interrogated somebody over, you know, their optics, other than for them to just, you know, like if you're trading weapons and you know, doing some shooting or whatever, and they have an optic, you know, that you like, you know, you may inquire as to what type of optic it is if it's not, you know, really evident by just looking at it, what brand it is or whatever. Because I know some optics you can buy, they don't have a lot of stuff wrote on them. So what is this? What kind of optic is this? It's a 2 MOA. Okay, so we got a 2 MOA. All right. 1200 hour battery life. Night vision compatible. All right. Okay. Awesome. Very, very good. Okay, this is another thing that will get used. And I tell you what, I've got a lot of footage that unfortunately I can't really put on the old tube here, because it's not deemed appropriate, I guess, or, you know, they kind of look down on it, which kind of stinks, because, you know, there's a lot of content that I would really like to be, you know, giving to you that I just can't really do it, because my channel gets hit, and, you know, gets whatever sorcery happens with the algorithm, you know, videos don't get pushed, and then you get demonetized and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to find a workaround, like, not a workaround, but, you know, an option to still get that content out to you guys if you are interested in that. And we got some of these, let's see, Birchwood Casey. These are reactive targets, and then we got some blanks to, you know, go back and cover up holes with whenever you need it. And these are, you know, obviously they're this big, so they're not that big. So these are definitely for 22, for pistol, you know, shorter range stuff, I guess. But I mean, technically, hey, if you're really good, man, you can put these anywhere, technically anywhere. But I like these reactive I do like these reactive targets. I do carry them and I do shoot them. The one thing I don't like about them is they're expensive. And so it does get expensive if you're shooting these quite a bit. So another pack of them, let's see, there's 6 of them in there. So that is very appreciated and will not go to waste, that's for sure. And from the same company, we got a gun and reel silicone cloth, which this is just a saturated 11 by 14 inch cloth that you don't have to, you know, apply anything to. It's already saturated. You just pretty much take whatever you want to clean and just take the rag out, wipe it down. There you go. And it applies whatever kind of proprietary stuff they want you to put. Yeah, puts it on there. Okay, what is this though? And see, I'm kind of feeling dumb because I don't know what this is. And the card here doesn't seem to have it, does it? It doesn't. Let's see. Oh, never mind. This is what the, oh, it's an ejector port cover. Oh, okay. All right. Now it makes sense. It's just, it's an ejector port cover for your gas gun, but it's just clear instead of, you know, it being like metal, like it is on everybody else, or some kind of polymer material. It's just plastic. It's a clear plastic. Okay. All right. So, I don't know. Okay. It's a clear ejector port cover. I don't know what to say about that, you know. I don't really have a need for it. And then we got a red dot optical mount from, who is this? Aeronox. Aeroknox. I'm going to say Aeronox. It's just a riser. It's just a riser mount. If you have, I guess, I'm assuming one of their companies, let's see, does it say what it's compatible with? It does. So it gives you a list of a lot. Ooh, man, it's compatible with quite a bit. And I see a lot of really popular names on here. A lot of Aimpoint, a lot of Vortex, Holosun. There you go, primary. Okay, so this stuff is, this riser mount is compatible with a lot of red dots. So yeah, this is something nice. You know, if you need a riser for your red dot, they give you. Okay, so we got a compensator. We got some valve stem thingamajigs, and then we got this cool foam action support rest, and then we got a primary arms micro red dot, which definitely try that out. Cleaning cloth. We got the riser. We got the ejection port cover, and we got some targets. And I'm just gonna hark back on this. We got a cool Optimus Prime sticker. I don't know. I'm a kid. What can I say? Okay, so this is what we got from TacPack. I'm going to just assume that this is our first official like TacPack box, and it says, let's see, it says that this is a plus. This is a card, at least up here you can see it says plus, but I don't believe we get the plus. I could have swore that this was a standard, because we got the foam action thing, we got that. Yeah, this is, yeah, okay. Okay, so never mind. Wait a minute, the plus item. No, because the plus item, guys, I'm sorry, this video has went on way too longer than I thought. This is a plus box because you got the red dot. Okay, and it says that the red dot is 90 bucks. It does have, it has in parentheses, it has a $90 value assigned to that. But it doesn't give me the price of like any of this other smaller stuff. Or the foam rest. It doesn't give me the price on that. Okay, so technically this is, you know, let's see. Can I get everything in frame here? Yes. Okay, all this stuff was, okay, $130. Well, I'm going to tell you, a lot of this stuff is not going to be wasted. The only thing I would say for me was a dud is the clear ejection port cover, because I don't I mean, I'm pretty sure there's somebody that would love to have a clear ejection port on their gas gun. I don't see the need for it personally. It doesn't make, to me, it's aesthetically, it doesn't do nothing for me. Everything else here has a use. The rest does. The micro red dot, the cloth, everything. Okay, so if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking out this Plus box from TacPack. If let me know, do you think I got hosed on this one, or you think this was an okay? I think I did all right. I'm not going to complain. You know, like I said, the only thing I really have an issue with is the clear ejection port cover. And you know what? I can find somebody at the range, and I can gift. I can definitely do that. Okay, so if you made it this far, you know, give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I've actually had some people comment and tell me that yes, they have, for whatever reason, been unsubscribed from the channel and I didn't show up in their feed. So I don't know why YouTube's doing that. I noticed it on my channel that I watch a ton of videos on. I will just get unsubscribed for no apparent reason. Don't know why. But that's it. That's all I got, guys. Put a subscription button up next video. And let me know what you guys think about this from TacPack. What you guys think? Do you think this is a good service? This seems to me to be, at least with this box, I mean, this box is really tailored to shooters. You know, it's not tailored to, you know, a general type outdoor theme. And like I said, since this is a new box to me, and I have not went and watched any videos of any other YouTubers that have done a box opening of TacPack. So I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if this is the kind of stuff that this company produces for their boxes, if it's all related like this, or if there's, you know, other stuff. That's just something that we're going to find out as these boxes come in and I do these videos. So with that, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you for hanging out with me, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.